Let's go ahead and replace the driver's side power window and power door lock and power mirror switch assembly. Now you notice there's quite a bit of switches all incorporated in one big assembly here. Now on some door panels we need to remove the whole door panel in order to access this. Not necessarily the case on this particular vehicle. So you notice I can pop up on the back side here. There's some spring clips, and there's a couple tabs in the front. So we want to slide it back gently and roll it over. It's pretty quick and easy to access. I pinch the tab and disconnect the electrical connectors here. And now you can get a better look at the two tabs that are holding it in place in the front here. Now I'm going to have to take my Phillips head screwdriver and remove these 3 screws and transfer the components over to this new trim bezel. Now we've transferred over our screws and our new switch assembly to our trim bezel. I'll just plug it in here a minute. Make both of our electrical connections. And we can clip it into place, pop it down, it's good and secure. I'm going to key up the vehicle and make sure that the windows operate. I'm going to make sure that they all go up and down. Door locks work. Even the mirrors operate properly. I'd say we've done a successful job of replacing our driver's side power window, power lock, and power mirror switch on this Dodge Durango.